Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about static GK questions. The first question says, who is the first Indian woman gymnast to qualify for Olympics? So the correct answer for this question is Deepa Karmakar. So the first Indian woman to qualify for Olympic gymnastics was Deepa Karmakar. So she made history by competing at the 2016 Rio Olympics. 2016 Rio Olympics, and she became the first Indian gymnast in both categories, male or female, in 52 years to reach the games, and she finished 4th in the vault final. So she finished 4th in the vault final. So option A, Deepa Karmakar, is the correct answer. Then the next question says, who was the first finance minister of independent India? So the correct answer is Shanmughan Chetty. So Sir Ramasamy Chetty Kandasamy Shanmughan. So his entire name was Ramasamy Chetty Kandasamy Shanmugam. So this was his entire name. So he was the first finance minister of India. So basically he was a lawyer, he was an Indian lawyer. He was a economist as well as a politician as well, and he served as India's finance minister from 1947 to 1949. So the correct answer is Shanmughan Chetty. The next question says, match the inventions with their inventors. So in the first column we are given certain inventions. We have inventors in the second column. So we have to match the inventions with their inventors. So first is jeans. So jeans is matched with, jeans was invented by Levi Strauss. So A with 1. So G is short for blue jeans. So it was invented by Jacob Davis and Levi Strauss in 1873. So this happened in 1873. Then we have photographs. So the French inventor Nicéphore Niepce is credited with creating the first camera for making photographic images in 1825. So B should be matched with 4. Then we have search engine. So search engine is matched with second, which is Alan Imtech. So the first tool used for searching content so on the internet was Archive. The name stands for archive without the V. So it was created by Alan Imtech, computer science student at McGill University in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. So C can be matched with 2. Then we have artificial heart. So D should be matched with Robert Koffler-Jarvik. So he was a physician and an inventor. He was born in 1946 and he helped design and build the first artificial heart used in a human being. So this is the correct matching. So it is A1, B4, C2, D3, and thus the correct answer is option D. MTSS is used as, so the correct answer is, which is C, personal remittance. So MTSS refers to personal remittance services. So it allows individuals to transfer money domestically or internationally for personal purposes without being linked to tax returns, tax benefits, or government fiscal schemes. So personal remittance is the correct answer. Now we have to match the national parks with their respective states. So in the first column we have certain national parks and we have to match with their states. So first is Nameri National Park. So it is in Assam. So first will be matched with E. Then we have Vansda National Park. So Vansda National Park is in Gujarat. So 2 will be matched with D. Then we have third, which is Anshi National Park. So Anshi National Park is in Karnataka. So 3 will be matched with B. Then fourth we have Periyar National Park. So Periyar National Park is in Kerala. So 4th will be matched with C. And 5th is Gugamal National Park. So Gugamal National Park is in Maharashtra. So 5th will be matched with A. So this is the correct order: 1E, 2D, 3B, 4C and 5A, and therefore option B is the correct answer. Then we have Gangotri National Park is located in which state? So Gangotri National Park is located in option D, which is Uttarakhand. So it forms part of the Western Himalayas and it is protecting glaciers, alpine forests and biodiversity, which is surrounded by the origin of the river Ganga. So in all the regions which is surrounded by the origin of river Ganga, the biodiversity is being preserved using this Gangotri National Park. So option D, Uttarakhand, is the correct answer. Which statutory organization regulates insurance sector in India? So the correct answer is IRDAI. So the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, which is the full form, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. So this is the full form of IRDAI. So it regulates India's insurance sector. It ensures that policyholder protection. It also ensures orderly growth of insurance businesses and fair market practices. So option A, IRDAI is the correct answer. IRDAI is the correct answer. Nandankanan Zoological Park is located in which state? So it is located in option B, which is Odisha. So it is located near Bhubaneswar, and it is internationally known for its white tiger conservation. So it is known for its white tiger conservation. It is also a geological research for these species as well as a naturalistic enclosure. So option B, Odisha is the correct answer. Global Development Report is an annual report that provides an in-depth analysis of economic development and is published by which of the following organizations? So we have to find out Global Development Report is published by which of the organizations? So the correct answer is option B, which is World Bank. So the Global Development Report is published annually by the World Bank, provides an in-depth analysis of global economic development trends. It also provides analysis for poverty reduction and policy challenges. So option B, World Bank is the correct answer. What is the capital of Italy? So the correct answer is option D, which is Rome. So the capital of Italy is Rome. It was initially called as Roma. So it is a historic city. It is that's also the largest in the country, and it serves as its political, cultural and economic heart, and it is famous for ancient sites like the Colosseum and being home to Vatican City. So option D, Rome is the correct answer. Thomas Alva Edison discovered electric lamps. So Edison was A or N? So he was an American scientist, which is option B. So Thomas Alva Edison was an American scientist, and he was regarded to be discovering electric lamp. So option B is the correct answer. The national sport of which of these countries is Taekwondo? So the correct answer is option B, South Korea. So Taekwondo is the national sport of South Korea. It was officially designated as the national martial art and sport of South Korea in 2018. So this was done in 2018, and its origins can be traced back to ancient Korean martial arts. So South Korea is the correct answer. As per the constitution, which among the following is not a fundamental right granted to the citizens of India? So option D, right to property, is a right which is not granted as a fundamental right to the citizens of India. So it was removed from the fundamental rights by the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act in 1978, and it is now recognized as a legal right under Article 300A. So right to property is the correct answer. Swami Vivekananda birthday, which is Jan 12, is celebrated as, so it is celebrated as National Youth Day, which is option C. So his birthday on January 12 is observed as National Youth Day. It is to inspire young people through his ideals of strength, character, discipline and nation building. So option C is the correct answer. Who invented optical fiber? So optical fiber was invented by Narendra Company. So Narendra Company. So option B. So Narendra Company is an Indian origin physicist, and he is regarded as the father of optical fiber technology. So he did the pioneering research that enabled modern fiber optic communication system. So Narendra Kapani is the correct answer. So the first Finance Commission of India was constituted in 1951. So option B, 1951 is the correct answer. Who won independent India's first individual medal at the Olympics? So the first person to do that was Khasaba Dadasaheb Jadhav. So Khasaba Dadasaheb Jadhav won independent India's first Olympic medal. So it was a bronze in wrestling, and this was in 1952. So in 1952 Helsinki Olympics. So the first person was Khasaba Dadasaheb Jadhav. So B is the correct answer. Who among the following has not been a Vice President of India before becoming the President of India? So the correct answer is Jani Jail Singh, which is option D. So except Jani Jail Singh, all other personalities have served as a Vice President of India before becoming the President. So S. Radhakrishnan was a Vice President, Shankar Dayal Sharma was a Vice President, R. Venkatraman was a Vice President of India, but Jani Jail Singh was never the Vice President of India. So option D is the correct answer. What is the currency of Saudi Arabia? So the currency of Saudi Arabia is option C, which is Riyal. So the official currency of Saudi Arabia is Saudi Riyal. It is Saudi Riyal. It is abbreviated as SAR, and it is issued and regulated by the Saudi Central Bank for all monetary transactions. So option C, Riyal, is the correct answer. Bandhavgarh National Park is located in, so the correct answer is option C, which is Madhya Pradesh. So Bandhavgarh National Park is in Madhya Pradesh. So option C is the correct answer. If a person is using halfback, push-in, AstroTurf and tiebreaker in a game, then which of the following games is that person playing? So the correct answer is option D, which is hockey. So if while playing, a person is using terms like halfback or push-in or AstroTurf, or let's say tiebreaker in a game, So he's definitely playing hockey. So option D, hockey is the correct answer. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by, so the correct answer is elected members of the Legislative Assembly of State, which is option D. So all the members of the Rajya Sabha are elected indirectly by the members of state legislative assemblies, and basically they use proportional representation under the single transferable vote system. So option D is the correct answer. Which of the following was the first batsman to hit 6 sixes in an over in international cricket? So the correct answer to this question is Herschel Gibbs. So Herschel Gibbs became the first batsman to hit 6 sixes in an over in international cricket during the 2007 ICC Cricket World Cup. So he did this against Netherlands. So Herschel Gibbs, which is option D, is the correct answer. The President of India can be impeached by, so the correct answer is option D, which is Parliament. So the President of India can only be impeached by Parliament through a constitutional process requiring a special majority in both houses, in the Lok Sabha House as well as Rajya Sabha House, as laid down in the Article 61 in the Constitution. So this is written in Article 61 in the Constitution. So option D, Parliament, is the correct answer. What is the capital of Sweden? So the capital of Sweden is B, Stockholm. So Stockholm is the capital of Sweden, and it serves as its political, cultural, and economic center. And it also houses the Swedish government, parliament, and royal institutions. So option B, Stockholm, is the correct answer. Ammonia is invented by which of the following scientists? So it was invented by Fritz Haber and Carl Bosch. So option B is the correct answer. So Fritz Haber and Carl Bosch developed the Haber-Bosch process. So it was Haber-Bosch process. So it enabled large-scale industrial synthesis of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen. So it revolutionized fertilizer production and modern agriculture worldwide. So Fritz Haber and Carl Bosch is the correct answer. So with this video, we would like to end the static GK questions. We would bring on more videos on this topic. We will bring on more questions on static GK as promised, which is 500 questions before the CMAT examination. We will provide you for the static GK topic so that you can ace this section as well. Till then, keep watching the Cracku's videos, and please like and share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.